to feel like dying. Looking for my golden ticket, can't find no silver lining. And these days 9 to 5 feels more like 25 to life. And trying to make a living isn't supposed to feel like dying. I punch the clock, wanna punch a ticket to New York.